Hi, my name is Julia Maxfield, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the yummiest Valentine's Day cupcakes. For this recipe, you will need all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, milk, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, eggs, and water. First, start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees and lining your baking tin with cupcake liners. In a small bowl, add 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of sugar, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix it all together. In a different bowl, add 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, and 1 cup of water, and mix together. Next, combine the dry and wet ingredients and mix with an electric mixer until smooth. If needed, get a rubber spatula and wipe the sides of the bowl to make sure everything is mixed. Next, fill up the cupcake tins with the batter and wipe down the pan to make sure any batter that was spilled is gone. Next, open the oven and put the cupcakes in for about 15 to 19 minutes. When the cupcakes are done, take them out of the oven and let them cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. For the next part of this DIY, you will need icing and sprinkles, a decorative bag, and your favorite Valentine's Day candy. When the cupcakes have cooled, you can begin by putting on the icing. Now you can put on the sprinkles and add the candy of your choice. Next, add the cupcake to the bag. You can also decorate the bag however you want, or even add a special note for that special someone. Whether you want to share or eat them all yourself this Valentine's, I'm sure you'll enjoy the recipe. Reporting for RNE-TV, I'm Julia Maxfield.